everybody and welcome back. So we are going to be finishing off the detail on the leaves today. And we're going to be doing it using a cross stitch with a French knot on top. So I've done one practice stitch. I'm not quite sure if I've done it right, so I'm hoping that I get a bit better throughout it. And it gives me a chance to practice the French knot technique too. So this is my practice one. I'm not 100% sure if I've got that right, so we will have another go. So to start the cross stitch, we're going to do the beginning of how we did the spider's web. So we're going to go up and create a stitch there, then we're going to go from this side and over the top like that. So you've got the cross, and then it says in the stitch chart to put a French knot on top, so we're going to take that up and then going to put that back in halfway, pull it tight, and then get it from the other side like that. So that's the finished cross stitch with a French knot on top. I think I might have made that one maybe a tad too big. Not quite proportioned right, that one, but let's try again. So it's going to be up and down to the side. Down. We're going to just go through the middle. French knot like that. Just going to check that I don't need any, it is all the same colour. Yes, it is. So we're going to come up and down. Through the middle, go in like that, pull it tight, bring it down the other side, and then down. I think that one's proportioned to the side, down, and then up through the middle. Keep hold of the needle, pull it through. Don't know if that one's done it properly. We'll try again. And down, side, side. Brown. Make sure it's not going in the same hole. Pull it tight and keep hold, and then pull it through. There we go. Then I'm not sure if these are, I imagine they are all maybe meant to be equal size, which I don't think these are. But I think it adds to the character. Down. Round. Down. I've done that wrong. I've done that wrong. I was meant to use this hand to take the needle through. So up and down. Side to side, and then bring it up for the French knot, wrap it round, back down, that one's definitely neater. Down. Side. Then up. Wrap it around. Put it in halfway and then take this hand. I keep forgetting to make sure I'm using that hand up. So we're gonna go up and down. We're gonna go to side. Seems nicely proportioned, that one. And I'm gonna go up, take it around, hold it tight, and then take this hand to pull it through. That's why I keep forgetting. I find it quite easy to forget that my natural instinct is still to pull it through with this hand, so I'm making sure that I don't. And it seems the best way to remind myself is to say it out loud. And I think I've taken that slightly too long. Up, round, up, down, pull it through. It doesn't look quite right. I wonder. Down. Oh, looks like I've missed doing French knot on this one. Sort that out now. Round, bit tight, and then I think I may have pulled it through maybe too much on some of them. Down, side, side. And there we go. So this is this half finished. I have a feeling that by the end, once because I'm going to go carry on this side of the leaf, and there's some other leaves which need this stitch too, and I'm hoping that by the end when I show you tomorrow that they will have improved by quite a bit. I have to say, I thought from the instructions this stitch was going to be an easy one. It was two things which I knew how to do, but it's taxing me a little bit, so I'm going to go concentrate and do the others, and tomorrow I will show you how I get on. And then we're going to be moving on to another new stitch, which is the detached fly. So that's what we've got to look forward to tomorrow. So see you soon. Bye.